this weekend we are having a very choppy Bitcoin price action, in my opinion, and it is not a very nice place to trade. What I was saying yesterday is to trade for the swing fail pattern of this high, and that basically what was happened. We went to the high, consolidated a little bit right here, and went down really nicely to swing failure another lows. So we swing failored another lows, found support at this wick. You can see perfect SR resistance, resistance, flipped into support, and basically went to the upside again. So this was a very nice scalp trade, in my opinion. And yeah, I don't really like to trade weekends because, as you can see, the price action is choppy, low volume, and then you got a really big injection in volume, and again low volume, big injection in volume. So it is not a nice place, in my opinion, to trade the Bitcoin. What I want to show you right now is the speed fan, which was very nicely flipped into support. So as you can see, I have this speed fan from this high to this low, and you can see that 7.5 speed fan resistance was flipped into support really nicely. As you can see, we had a resistance, broken, support, and we went to the upside. So this is yeah, bullish and great in my opinion, but you should basically take this into consideration that we are basically at the weekend price action. So it is not reliable, in my opinion. So let's look right now at the support and resistance levels which we might have today. What I want to start with is with the support, which we have right here at the not golden pocket. We have touched it already, so that is why I won't show it to you. But we have another support level at the 786 Fibonacci retracement level. Why this level is interesting for me? Well, just because we have a 15 minutes order block. Really nice order block, in my opinion. You can see the low of the order block right here and the high. But what I would do is extend it a little to this wick. That could give me an order block of 0.3%. So that is not a big one. Really nice scalp trade it can basically bring to us. Really nice opportunity. What is the another confluence to this level? What we can do is to, I can show you my daily levels, and you can see that we have a daily low right here. Why it is important? Because what we can do is to swing fail pattern this low, go lower, find support at the order block, and then go to the upside. That could give to us a really nice scalp trade, as I said already. And also what is important is the value area high of this whole range in which we are right now. We found support and resistance here not once. So as you can see, value area high is just below our 786, and that could give to us a bigger zone basically of 0.5%. But anyways, this is the support in which we should pay attention, in my opinion, because if it is flipped into support and we'll see acceptance basically above this range, above the value area of this range, that would be more bullish and we could see more basically upside. Let's look right now at another support which we might have, and this is at basically this golden pocket. In my opinion, this is a bigger range because what we have is again a consolidation right here. If we can see a consolidation, we can mark it with the fixed range tool like that. As you can see, the point of control is right at the 0.66 Fibonacci level, and yeah, what it gives to us, it is basically the zone of support. As you can see, we have order block right here, but it is above our support. So what I would expect is the price action to go a little lower and take these order blocks. that would be really nice in my opinion to find support right here at the point of control or value area low of this consolidation area. That is my plan for this support. So as we know our support levels to the downside, let's look at the resistance right now. As you can see, the price action is right now basically in a bullish market structure. We are in a uptrend, at least in a 15 minutes time frame. As you can see, if we go to maybe hourly, I think we are also in a bullish, not yet, because we haven't taken this high, because we have a low, the high, higher low. So this is a potential bullish market structure, but we haven't taken this high. So we have to take this high to make a higher high, and that would be a bullish market structure in hourly time frame. So that is how I am looking at the market structure. And yeah, very simply what we can see, what we have is the high of the range, which is automatically acts as a resistance. Because I always say trade the range until it breaks. So while we haven't seen the break of this range and retest, we are looking to trade this range. So very simply, what I would expect from this price action is maybe to swing failure this high and go back inside of our range, or swing failure this high. Because as you know, we have another consolidation right here, which we can mark it like that. And we have point of control, which we have touched already once. And we had a really, really nice rejection in price of, yeah, more than 8%. That is brilliant. And also we have a value area high at the basically high of the range. So generally what I would look is to swing fail this high. I would love to see that. But if we don't reach this high and we swing failure this high, that is also a trade to be given. But I would be, basically I would give more space to my stop loss, because we could have another, basically if we, for example, take profit 1, and price tries another attempt to the upside, swing failures this high then, and then it reverses again to the downside. That can be also very possible, and that is why I would give to my stop loss a little bit, yeah, it would be a little bit wider stop loss. So yeah, that is the resistance and support for today. Hope you liked it. Bye.